So today I'll be unboxing this is Dalgom's Instagram so-called aesthetic PCs, something like that. But anyways, it is super pretty, so of course I must buy it. And yep, here is the unboxing. Let's get started. First of all, we have to overcome this obstacle. Do they always stick stickers here? Okay, great. Okay, I survived the first obstacle. Okay, so here we have the sticker. Dalgom, so cute. And my hair got into the shot. I'm sorry. Okay, but anyways, so here we have a transparent PC set. We have the Instagram set, and we have the Pantone color set. So let's get started with transparent PCs first. What is this? BTS Army. Is it focusing? Okay, here. It's the first card, which is so pretty. Here we have Vmin. Namjoon, Kim Daily, always love you. How cute. There we have Jin, Jin. Here's Suga. Oh my gosh. I'm really waiting for them to have like Instagram. And then here. Jimin. Tete. Jungkook. Oh my god, this is so cute. Jungkook. And yeah, there are like quite a number here. And then we have, okay, let me go through this first. What's this, like a wings ticket thing? I mean, it looks like it, but it's not that. Yeah, wings tour, so cool. And then we have the Instagram profile pages. This is BTS. Oh, did I start from the wrong? Okay, never mind. Jungkook, Tae, Jimin. I really like Hobi-san. Suga, Jin, Namjoon. Okay, this is like total aesthetic right here. Then we have Tae, Vmin. Yeah, and BTS. So there's like in a total of 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. And then here we have the square cards, which are like just the post itself. And BTS, Namjoon, Jin. Jin is like, oh god, pretty. This is also so pretty. Oh, and the quality is freaking good. Yeah. And Vmin. And yep, that is all for this item, but it is so pretty. I totally recommend getting it if you didn't. I think she's having a stock sale soon or something, but yeah, it is so pretty. If you like this unboxing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.